Hey, what's going on, people? So I thought I'd give an update on the AZ 500 training and how that's going. So it's going pretty good, you know. I'm training in the time of lockdown. This is February 2021, 17th of Feb, my brother's birthday. He's 40. I'm older, so I'm 42. 43. And, God. Anyway, so the point being yeah, studying for AZ 500. And what I found with my family is if I could dedicate 1 hour and 30 minutes, an hour and a half every day for 7 days a week until I pass the exam, that's enough time during the day for me to, categorize or dedicate some time in passing the exam. Because when you've got lockdown, I'm a dad, 5 kids, and having to help homeschool and everything of the sort, and the wife is working as well, it's busy times. So I'm making these videos for people who are just like me, wondering, how the hell do you do it? Well, ask for an hour and 30 minutes every day. So I wake up at 4:30 in the morning, and I come downstairs to the office. I probably get a cup of coffee, get some water, hydrate, and go from there. That works for me. Some people are night owls. However you actually find your hour and a half, find an hour and a half. Hour and a half every day, 7 days a week, till you pass the exam. Of quality time doing the exam. Anyway, here's my up to date. So the good thing about doing the training, I'm not sure if you can actually see that properly. Let me just take my camera here. Oop, a little bit of glare on top. Shut the old curtains there for you. It gives you a lot of awareness of the Azure product. I personally like doing it this way, reason being, now how do I get here? So I go to Bing, I just type in AZ 500, and it gives me my, the syllabus for the AZ 500 Microsoft Azure Security Technologies. And there's 2 ways to prepare. It says online free, instructor led. Personally, online free is good with me. And the nice thing about going for each and every single of these categories is that you can see what's completed. Now, from time to time, they do updates. And when they do an update, that's a really good time for you to look to see what has changed. And doing it this way, you can see instantly what has changed. Now, one of the things that I'm actually being aware of, where is it now? Hosts, implement network security. This course covers a whole range of interesting topics. Like you could protect your servers and VMs from brute force attack and malware attacks with Azure Security Center. Manage identity and access in Active Directory. But one of the things that I didn't realize that existed was, let me just zoom in for you folks. Is this here? Secure your applications by using OpenID Connect and Azure AD. OpenID uses OAuth 2, and this training covers that, which I think is really, really well. So yeah, I'm on to the last module. I'm still using WizLabs. You'll see what happens with how everything is going. I'm just going to zoom out. And what should happen eventually is that by, I think it's April, I promise. I can't remember. I'll revisit the first video. By about April or so, I should be able to pass this exam. Now, anyone who's doing this exam, as soon as anyone says, oh, well, you're studying for security or Azure security, the word security frightens them. And all I can say to you is that don't let it. Because this, if you look at each and every single one of these modules, it gives you the category of the type of person who should be studying for this exam. So all of them start off as intermediate, a solution architect, security engineer, Azure Active Directory. Some of them have beginner. So if you're a beginner or someone new who needs awareness and security in Azure, I would say this is an okay place for you to start. If you really wanted to start learning Azure, I wouldn't suggest going to Azure Security. I would suggest probably doing the AZ900 if you're new to cloud. As I train people, it's just like you want to start off there, then get into basics. Get your basics, get AZ 104 now, it used to be 103, and then you could just cherry pick the items of which you're interested in. So anyway, that's about it. So progress is pretty good. I found my hour and a half every single day. I should be on track for everything. What else can I say? Yeah, I just have to book my exam. Booking your exam is quite easy. Probably a lot of people are doing it now. Everyone's doing it online. Everyone's doing it from home. You just need to make sure that the room that you're in, you have a chair or somewhere to sit that's not by a desk that has anything, no items, no anything. It's quite easy to book, quite easy to do. So anyway, that's about it. As I have more time, as life goes on, then I will do fancy editing and videos and have nice intros and stuff like that. But as I'm doing this, as I have pockets of time, things will improve. What I can tell you is, and plus I'm doing my day job. I'm coding, doing my PowerShell scripts, doing JSON, doing ARM templates, Terraform. The list goes on and on. That's it. So, if you've got anything to mention, put it in the comments below. If you like what I'm saying and you want more updates, just subscribe and please like the video, because then more people actually see it and more people will be able to, get a benefit from it, I hope. Anyway, that's about it. See you soon.